How to see hidden WhatsApp status. Welcome back to Glitch Sorcerer, and let's jump right into this video. To see a hidden WhatsApp status, first and foremost, launch a WhatsApp application. Make sure that you are logged in. To mute a user, first and foremost, press and hold onto the user. Now if you tap on the three dots, you will see that there is no such option as mute or hide. So in order to mute it, just tap on this notification bell icon and select the duration of mute for this particular user, then tap on OK. Now what if the person updates a story or status? In that the case, check out the Updates tab. In WhatsApp, when you mute someone, their status will be hidden as well. To check out the hidden status, you have to scroll to the very bottom until you see the option of muted updates, and as you can see, it is kind of blurred. Now that is how you can easily check out the hidden WhatsApp status. If you do not have this option given to you in your WhatsApp story, press and hold onto your WhatsApp and head to App Info. Force stop your application and go to Storage and Cache. Tap on Clear Cache. This will help to fix a bug issue. Next step is to launch your Play Store or App Store if you are using an iOS device. Search for WhatsApp in the search bar. Now in here, if there is an update, you simply have to leave it for an update. If not, uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And that is all for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.